Hello again and welcome back. I'm Steve Cariseo, a real estate agent with Keller Williams, Syracuse, and this video was prepared during the weekend of August 1st, 2026. Welcome to my YouTube channel where each week I share insights about the Central New York real estate market. If you enjoy learning about Central New York communities and the local real estate market, please remember to like and subscribe at the end of this video. Thank you to everyone who has already done so. Also, feel free to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments because I'd love to hear from you. Although I help clients buy and sell homes throughout all of Central New York, today's topic is Pompey, New York, scenic living. The town of Pompey, which is just to the south of the towns of Manlius and DeWitt, is known by locals for its beautiful rolling hills, scenic countryside, and peaceful setting. Located just southeast of Syracuse, it offers a quieter lifestyle while still providing convenient access to everything the greater Syracuse area has to offer. However, the northern section of the town of Pompey includes parts of the Manlius and Jamesville areas, which skews the property sales data numbers a little bit higher, and more on that in a moment. One of the things that makes Pompey unique is the variety of homes you'll find here. From historic farmhouses and charming country homes to newer built properties on larger lots, there's something for buyers looking for more space, privacy, and beautiful views. Despite its rural feel, Pompey is only a short drive from shopping, restaurants, healthcare, and major highways. Many residents appreciate being able to enjoy country living without giving up the convenience of city life. If you enjoy spending time outdoors, Pompey has plenty to offer. Pratt's Falls and nearby Tinker Falls, which is located next to Labrador Hollow Unique Area, are two beautiful places to hike and experience the natural beauty of Central New York that was shaped by the melting glaciers of the past. If you're looking for a place to relax after a hike or just enjoy a meal, Hill Brewhouse is a wonderful spot to eat, have a drink, and take in the scenery, especially at sunset. Pompey also brings back a lot of memories for me. My first real job as a young teenager was working at the golf course at the Pompey Club. And shout out to my cousin Jack Conger, who was the head pro of the course at the time. As I look at the supply of available properties, Pompey, much like Central New York, is a seller's market, meaning there are more potential buyers than there are homes currently listed for sale. The median sales prices remain fairly steady over the past few years, generally ranging between about $430,000 and $480,000. But as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, property values can vary dramatically from the northern part of the town of Pompey to the more rural southern areas. If you're not familiar with the region, I'll include a map at the end of this video to give you a better idea of how the town is laid out, along with a picture of recent sales in the area and some pictures of the parks that I mentioned earlier. My personal opinion is the town of Pompey is gorgeous and has plenty to offer. If you're thinking about selling your home, now is a great time to discuss options and create a strategy based on today's Central New York market. My contact information is attached to this video, so feel free to get in touch with me. I'd be glad to sit down with you. If you've seen my previous videos and you're looking to purchase a home, you know my goal is to guide you through the entire buying process from start to finish. I can help buyers connect with trusted loan officers who may have great rate programs and possible grant opportunities. I can also create a personalized property search so you and I are notified immediately when a home matching your criteria becomes available. If you're thinking about buying a home anywhere in Central New York, I'd be happy to help. I'm Steve Cariseo with Keller Williams. Go check out my other videos, please, and hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching Central New York Real Estate Insights, and I will see you next week.